This 2019 Jayco Precept 33U is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, auxiliary battery, LP detector, DVD player, stovetop burner, TV, carbon monoxide detector, oven, awning, external shower, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Jayco Precept 33U is built on a FordF-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.